Now I have some donut boxes in here to kind of give it some. A big trash truck just pulled up, of course. Just my luck. Alright, we're out here in Panama City, Florida at Panama City Beach. Not too sure where I'm going, but I want to find a place to take a picture of the bike and the beach. Might be a good spot. Turn that way up. Alright, now that we got that done, I'm gonna need to find a secluded spot so I can do a quick little video about the bike. Water is super blue today. I'll go down here somewhere. So yeah, I'm on vacation at Panama City Beach, Florida. Today's our last full day here. Then we're headed out tomorrow. I did ride the Brompton one other day to go get donuts. And that was convenient to have this with me. Today I'm going to show you a video of the Kimimoto panniers that fit really good on the Brompton rear rack. Now I do get a little heel strike whenever I'm riding, but not a big deal. Lots of bicyclists. Seen a lot of electric bikes out here. Several Eventon electric bikes, and I saw one Sundoras, which was pretty neat, and a couple other ones that I haven't seen before or even heard of. Hello. And I'll stop somewhere to talk about the bike. Talk about the panniers, really. And I got these for grocery shopping for more storage, which I haven't done yet. I was gonna actually do grocery shopping here, and I was gonna do a live video, but my cell reception is not good at all. So I was gonna go ahead and just do a GoPro video, but it's been too busy. Now here's the main road. Let me see if there's any bike lane or sidewalk before I attempt this. Oh, there is, I think. There's a sidewalk. Get out there in a second on the main road. Let's go out here on the main road, see if we can survive. See if there's any palm trees or anywhere I can just stop and talk without getting interrupted. Now with these panniers, you can still fold up the bike and roll it around. It does not affect anything with that. It's one of the main reasons why I like it. Street, so this should go all the way through, hopefully. We went to St. Andrews Beach. Which is a beautiful spot to go snorkeling or just let's go this way. To go snorkeling or just swimming. It's a very popular place around here. And it is a state park. And they have a dedicated snorkeling spot and a dedicated swimming spot, which was very wavy and very cool. And yeah, we've just been, my family has just been enjoying our time here, having an awesome time.
There's a ladder right here. You guys, it really don't matter, guys, but if you think you're going to be faster, I want you in the front. If you think you're going to be slower, I want you in the back, guys. It's a safety thing. I'm not punishing my slow drivers. If I got slow in front and fast, we get all jumbled up and close together.
They're a little harder to get out, apparently. There we go. Hey, tap the left one. No, I think we're supposed to wait on him. Ready? Yeah, it was awesome. I didn't.
Do some gas, do some gas, do some gas. Keep giving gas.
Not worrying about YouTube too much, even though I'm still answering emails and stuff like that. I got a lot of new things coming to the channel. Some e-bike accessories that you haven't seen yet. Lots of e-bikes you haven't seen yet. Looks like I'm probably going to be getting an electric skateboard as well. So that'll be interesting. It's got to be a nice secluded spot to film. Somewhere around here. I don't want to veer too far off from home. But I'm searching. I'd like to have a little bit of palm trees. Let's do right here. This will be good. So right now I have a donut box in here holding up my structure of the bag. Without this, it kind of flops around. So as long as you have something in here, they'll be nice and sturdy, and there's lots of space. This donut box is probably about 14 inches by about 2 inches deep, maybe an inch and a half deep, and then about 12 inches wide. So lots of space to hold everything, and this box fits perfectly in here. I just grabbed those this morning to kind of fill the bag, and then they just kind of hook on right here with these little straps, and they're really easy to remove. And then I got the Brompton straps holding it on as well, and then it's got a handle here to carry them, so if you want to take them off, you can and carry them around. But you can also fold the bike, and I'll show that later on. But actually, I think I have a picture of it folded up with these, and they're really nice, and they're really simple to use, and I think they fit the Brompton very well. Let me know down in the comments if you like these. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase a set for yourself. And they do work on other bikes, and they have a couple different colors. So they have black, and then they have a gray and black. So They are available on Amazon. I will leave the Amazon link in the description. Let me know what you guys think of these. It's about 90 degrees right now. Sun's out. Beautiful day. Water is incredibly beautiful at the beach and the ocean. Panama City Beach is right in the panhandle of Florida, so it's the most prettiest waters in this state. Not as pretty as Bahamas, but pretty enough. So we'll be home on Saturday, tomorrow, and then Sunday will probably just be a rest day, and then I have a couple videos I gotta shoot. Still waiting for parts on my KBO Breeze that aren't here yet, so we can't ride that one. Okay, this is not the road I want to be on. So it looks like we might have to go to the main road. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's the ocean. Very pretty. But I could do this every day out here next to the ocean. Could definitely go get groceries here every day, or anytime I needed them. I did put my bigger Brompton bag on the front for the donuts. It fared well. It fit the boxes. I had to have them knock it down to, I got a dozen donuts and we had to knock it down to 2 6-packs of donuts to get the smaller box. There's a 6-seater slingshot. There's another 6-seater slingshot. You can rent those and they're expensive as hell. Trust me, I looked into it when I saw them. The rental place is right down here on the right, so that's probably where they're going. There goes an electric mountain bike. Lots of palm trees here. One of my favorite things. Alright, that'll do it for this video. I wanted to make at least one video here in Panama City Beach, Florida. If you like this kind of video, sorry, it'll probably be a while before I make another one. Sorry, it will probably be a bit before I do another video like this if you like this, but if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about them panniers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. One now.
Saw you paint a picture of a face I wasn't even You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation